Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off different type of suggestions on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings, and in Settings, scroll down and tap on Siri and Search. Then we scroll down. Now at the top here it says before searching. You can also choose to show or hide suggestions. So tap on that toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. And if you go a little bit further down, you can see here you can turn on or turn off suggestions in app library, when sharing or when listening. And you can also turn on or turn off allowed notifications. Also in here you can turn on or turn off show in lookup or in spotlight. So Apple can show content when look up text or objects in photos or when searching. So you can choose whether to turn it on or off in here as well. And that's it. So those are the different type of suggestions that you can switch on or off on the iPhone 14 series. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.